Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts lesson number 90, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, I am going to show you how to use else inside the for loop. Alright guys, so it's a two different keyword we are going to use and two different set of statements, and it's going to be pretty interesting. So basically the else keyword is a for loop, specifies a block of code to be executed when the loop is finished. Okay, that's how it works. So let me show you an example and you will understand more clearly. I'm into my Jetson Nano and I'm on my terminal. So let's open our previous file, the Python file nano for.py. Okay, let me delete this code and then we will create something new. Let's say for x in range. I'm sure you recall all this stuff. I taught you what is in and range, right? Remember, in the list and even in tuple. All right, in list and range, let's give some numbers, say 6. Okay, and then use a colon. All right, now indentation, print x. Once you print x, let's apply another statement called else colon and then indentation. Now print, say anything. I mean Iron Man. Let's say, okay, I am Iron Man. All right, now let's see what happens. Control O, enter, Control X. Now I am on my terminal, so let's open the Python file, Python 3 for.py. There you go. Can you see that, guys? It starts from 0 and it iterates till when it reaches 6, it will say, okay, I am Iron Man now. All right, so that's what it is all about, guys. This is how you can add a else within the for loop. There'll be two different statements you'll be using, else statement and the for statement. So it's as simple as that. You can just imagine, guys, I would like you guys to start thinking logically where you can apply all this stuff. So think about when you build a robot, right? In the upcoming future lessons I'm going to show you, you can say that for this particular sensor input you are getting into Jetson Nano, and then you iterate a loop and say that you throw this output into the system and then get else. You can apply else, get the input from this sensor, right? I mean, this is just a random example I'm giving you, but you can just, I want you guys to start thinking in these lines. That's how it's going to help you. Alright guys, and that's it for this lesson, and I'm going to be back soon in the next session soon. See you until then, bye bye.